So this question starts off by providing these details here, presumably line segments. Let's see what the question says. The side lengths of right triangle RST. So if I were to draw right triangle RST, I would call this R and this S and this T. Let's see if that matches up with the side lengths that I have here. RS is 440. ST is 384. And TR is 584. Perfect. So I was looking to make sure that the hypotenuse is the longest side, which it is. Great. So the side lengths of triangle RST are given. Triangle RST is similar to triangle UVW. So I'll just draw another triangle down here in the same orientation. So R, then S, then T. So then U, then V, then W. And because it's similar, then I know that this is 440x, this is 584x, and this is 384x, right? I know that it's some multiple of what the side lengths were in triangle RST, because that's what it means for these triangles to be similar. Their angles are congruent to each other, and their side lengths are proportional. So where S corresponds to V and T corresponds to W, right? What is the value of tan W? Well, the value of tan W, first of all, tan goes along with, I'm grabbing this from SOHCAHTOA. Tangent is the opposite over the adjacent. So if I'm looking at W, then opposite of W is 440x. And adjacent to W is 384x. Of course, the x's don't matter. They cross out. So what I'm left with is 440 over 384. Looking at my answer choices, it's obvious that I can reduce this fraction. I'm going to choose, what do I want to choose? I'm going to choose 4, actually. So let's say 440 divided by 4 gets me to 110. And 384 divided by 4 gets me to 96. And let's just go 2s for now, because I don't know what else off the top of my head would work. So 110 divided by 2 is 55. And 96 divided by 2 is 48. And I actually do see that answer, right? So 55 over 48. So that answer is choice D. Right, so the main thing to keep in mind is when you have similar triangles, their side lengths are proportional. So I always just use the exact side length that was provided, right, with its corresponding side, and just add a little x here. And again, x could be that it's a multiple, right? It's 2, it's 3, it's 4, which would represent that triangle UVW is larger than triangle RST. But x could also be a fraction. X could be 1/2 or 1/3. 1/4, 1/8, to represent that triangle UVW is smaller than triangle RST.